YouTube, what's up? Had paused the veil for a minute, but now I'm back. Actually, I accidentally pressed the stop recording veil, but now I'm back taking the cruise. Got the Wi-Fi figured out. Well, I'll show you. See, and got YouTube, so I was gonna upload it to YouTube, but haven't got to work. And then also, when I go to settings on here, see, it says I'm connected, but there's, see, it says I'm connected, but for some reason it's not working. And then I go back to the app, and it's just spinning. I got the air figured out because it was kind of warm here. Now it's not warm here. So I'm going to end the video out here. Hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, be sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe to Bad Pipes. And don't forget to check out my latest posts.